Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing well, guys. Once again, I'm talking about the Stellar XLM price update. What's the price changes occur in the Stellar XLM, and what's the future planning of Stellar XLM? We are trying to detect, guys, in this video. So keep watching this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, the right now price of Stellar XLM in the market, you can see here 0.296266 USD dollar. That is right now price of Stellar XLM in the market, guys. Furthermore, if you study the changes update, so now the last 1 hour update is about negative 0.44%. Last 1 day change is about positive 8.69%. Last 1 week change is about negative 13.04%, guys. That is the changes of Stellar XLM, guys. Let me show the price chart of Stellar XLM. You can see, guys, from yesterday Stellar also start pumping, guys, and I hope, guys, I'm sure about that, guys. You can see from yesterday, and guys, you know what, why the Stellar XLM start pumping? Due to positive changes, guys. Due to positive changes, that's why Stellar XLM start pumping, guys, and I hope, guys, that for a long time Stellar will continue this pump, guys, for a long time, guys. So for those people who's holding Stellar XLM, I recommend for you, please hold. And other side, if you want to buy Stellar XLM, I really recommend for you to buy now, because now Stellar XLM I found from 1st of September, I found Stellar XLM positive, and still, guys, Stellar is now positive, guys. So in a right now situation, possibilities that to the last of September they continue this pump, guys. Hope you like this video. Hope you're doing well, and I hope you're feeling very good about Stellar XLM, same like me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more news and update videos.